This video made for entertainment and educational purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video.
So yeah, okay, come on. And yeah, guys, there it is. There it is, guys. Hey guys, Kyle here and welcome to a new quick but hopefully useful video. Today I finally found a moment to show you something interesting in the free Bitcoin niche, and I also answer for a few questions of my subscribers. As always guys, my videos are just strictly educational entertainment purpose only. I'm not encouraging anyone to repeat anything you see here, and I'm simply sharing my own experience, nothing more, right? And yeah, I have my own channel, you can pause the video and check the name anytime. So today I'm checking a tool from my subscribers sent me for review. And if you have any ideas or something you want me to check next, leave a comment below, right? When I look at the past couple of months, honestly, I've checked around at hundreds different free crypto tools, and trust me, most of them looks decent at first, but in reality, complete trash. Nothing works, nothing loads, and half of it is outdated, right? So if you're watching this, here's my first tip. Always double check anything you see online before you try it, especially in crypto. That rule save energy and nerves. Right? And give me a minute here. So I'm gonna finish that part, and you don't need to try. I told you, like, I will show everything myself. So I'm gonna open my trust and I'm gonna do a quick setup. All right. Okay. And so for example, like it could be nice. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna check. So give me a moment. Okay, it's almost, yeah, it looks nice. So I'm gonna continue that way. Okay, and let me wait the update. So yeah, I got it. So that's nice. And I'm gonna come back here, and let me close it and restart it real quick. Okay, yeah, so let me check. And yeah, I missed. And yeah, that's looks everything fine. So let's move on. And a lot of you guys asked me in the comments, like, Kyle, how do you even find these tools? And guys, I've been in crypto 7 years, right? And I've got tons of sources, chats, and friends who just send me that stuff to review, and that's all. And while I'm setting this up, and everything, by the way, I enter here comes from public sources, so here's nothing private, nothing sensitive, and always keep that in mind when you check things yourself, right? Okay, and one thing guys, people always trying to slide into my DMs with a different weird verse, but I don't want to play that shit, guys. And what you see here is a real review named nothing more, right? And okay, let me grab the last few moments, and I'm gonna continue just a bit. And the last one also I know. So the loading started. That looks, I'm close. And it's a bit slow on my old phone, but it's fine. And all right. Ha, this part I'm waiting for. Okay, I'm gonna close that, and let me real quick make a small step. Okay, so it could be, for example, okay, yeah. And I remember here and here. Okay, and I forgot. Let me check. So nice. I think I got it. Okay, yeah, and here. So let me check, and yeah, that looks cool, guys. Done. Yeah, so the main part here is to make the process back. That's because that's basically the whole point. Other way, it's just useless, right? And give me a moment. I'm finishing this. Okay, I finished with the moment. Okay, and let me back and take. Okay, here, right? Yeah. Okay, nice. So I'm gonna close it. Yeah. Okay. Enter. And let me check. Yep, that's fine. And here's, guys, the funny part. Sometimes they open, sometimes they glitch, so nothing surprised me already. Okay, so let me come back and let me finally refresh it. And again, guys, you don't need to repeat this, you don't need it, right? And okay, so yeah, okay, come on. And yeah, guys, there it is. There it is, guys. Looks nice. Okay, man, I love when it goes well. Oh my god, always nice when something doesn't crash instantly. So if you enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I've got a ton of cool stuff coming next. And thanks for watching, guys. See you very soon.